video for first logo FL. So this is where we're going to think about those 5 things that make a good logo and create a logo type, which would be the letters of your name. A logo that uses your name is the logo type. We'll be using that as your text and Photopea as your media software that you'll use to create your logo. Alright, so for starters, and you can see I'm on a Chromebook. Got that work again. I got, I'm going to go here to Google full screens and go to Photopea. I'm going to do the basics of the assignment. I'm not going to worry about adding too much creativity to it. I want you on yours to put the so first of all, for the name, it's 1ST logo. I want to set at 100 pixels, and I want this to be 200 pixels high. You should be able to fit here and there for some name. And for background, I want transparent background. I want to save this currently. Background transparent, I should say, not your name. You're going to be the thing there. Everything else is going to be transparent all around. Okay, and that looks good when you keep it on for different things. All right, I'm going to click 8. So here workspace. I'm going to start with type tool. I'm not going to worry about the font, size, or the color just yet. I'm going to come on to workspace and click. I'm going to type my name. Here, how's that, Mr. Jaffe? And actually, I'm going to make my name a little bit longer. Dr. President Jaffe. There we go. Some of you that have longer names, that way, how this works that way too. I'm going to confirm by clicking the check. Now I'm going to go up to Edit, Transform. I love going there and transforming. I'm going to transform this. I'm not going to worry yet because the font that I might change it to might change the size of this. Probably going to have to go back to my edit transform. I'm just have to see it clearly. Click the check. Make sure your title is clicked and select the text and go up here to the font. The first I want to do is font to it. My favorite font. They have Helvetica. They don't have Helvetica here, but they have knockoff. Scroll down. It's a free tool. And they don't have money to pay for all of these fonts. Because they'll have other fonts. Line size down to the ages. So roll now. I could see all these. I could pick any now. I mean, look at that one. Look at that one. That looks so cool. Kind of a Dr. C. Or actually, has a Night Before Christmas. You know what? I'm gonna go with this one. Heck with Helga. Whatever. Named version of this program. Alright. So now I see how big this is gonna be. So I'm gonna click the check. I'm gonna go back into free transform. I use the full width. Okay, use the full width right to the last square column. the left and the right side. Right? I want to use full, but I don't want to use the full height. I only need to use the height that makes it look good. Okay? Don't make it look squished. Don't do that. Do that. Okay? I want it to look proportional, normal. Right about there. All right. If you have a big name, stack it. You have, your first name on the top and your second name or last name on the bottom if you want, right? You do different things. All right, now I'm going to check. Make sure the type tool. So I'm going to care about color now. So I'm going to look at the layer here. Click on this layer. All I got to do is click on the layer to change the color. If it's all going to be this color. So I'm going to go here. And here's where I could set my color. Go with Dodger Blue, since the Dodgers are ahead of the World Series. I just edited this video based on the 2020 World Series starts tomorrow. So you figure out when I made this video. Alright. So, anyway, there we go. There's the color I want. Now, I don't have to stick with just one color. Remember what they did with mobile? They made one letter red. So, if I want to copy that, and that, that has burned the image in your mind. When you do stuff like that, do stuff out of the ordinary, do stuff unexpected, and that's gonna help people remember. And you want this to be memorable, remember? So you gotta do things. I designed to think, how can I make this more memorable? So maybe I want to go with the red and make that red. I mean the P. Okay, sorry. The P and the J. Maybe I go red there. Red for the Angels, because I'm also an LA Angel fan, or Anaheim. The Los Angeles Angels of Anaheim. I'm for those guys. I like those guys a lot, actually. All right, so that's like, you can say it's done at this point. You did want to hit the check to kind of finish the change that I wanted. If you wanted to now, I've got my favorite colors. I've got my I've got the font that I like, so I could go click over here, remember, into the styles, layer style screen, and if I want to, I can maybe put an outer glow on it, and that's the right color for my glow. It would have to be a blue. Okay, and maybe I want to add a little bit. And if I do this, I might want to put stroke on it, right? So the stroke, I would want the stroke. That's the wrong. I want the stroke to be black. That did do it. Wait, what's going on here? Okay, that's to do it. Okay, I want it to be red. What I could do is go red on the blue. Let's do that. You know what? I think I want black, actually. Okay, yeah, that helps it. That definitely makes it jump out more. Remember, this needs to be appropriate. And for it to be appropriate means what you're using it for is to identify yourself in this class. And you're going to put this as like thumbnail size on some of the stuff that you do in this class and some of the media that you create. So we want it to be appropriate in the way that we could read well against background. So adding stroke to this helps. And I could go back to my outer glow, and I think I can kick that up a bit. Oh, got the wrong color from outer glow, though. I gotta go back to blue. Okay, now let's go see. Yeah, it's like that. I'm gonna go turn on red. Maybe just a tab like that. Okay? Again, you decide. There's some other things you play around with too. know, like, ooh, but I just hit the bevel and emboss, and now it's got a 3D look to it. All right, see, you got to play with this stuff. Some cool stuff going. And the trade stuff going on. That doesn't look bad. That looks somewhat professional. All right, so now I want to export it. I'm just actually save it. I'm going to go File, Save Google Drive. Okay, so I've got a Google Drive just like this, and now when I export as, this is important, it has to be a PNG. Oh, also, if your background is not checkerboard, delete it. Let's get rid of it. Click it and hit the delete. So to ensure that this saves with your background or exports with the background, and then you're only going to get that with a PNG file or as PNG. And we want to click. And it's just downloaded now. It downloaded. Download complete. So I hit that X. So, now that I've finished, I can go back over to MrJaffe.net and get to Wix. Okay, click on that. It's me to my Wix page. Well, after you log in, right? Then I want to go to Systems. Side actions. Have a little problem here. Not responding to my side actions. Let me refresh the page. See if that helps. Edit site. Slowly but surely, we're gonna. Here it is. Get this training video done in 15 minutes. Come on now, come on. You do have a name on this. You do have a name on this, and you can delete, get rid of that, and then add your logo to your home page. But I also want it on your page. Okay. Image uploads. Connecting. Stop your connection. Come on. And load media. Load from computers. You put it in your. And there it is. First logo.png. Sure, it's a .png one. So I have another version there. It's going to go through the steps it needs to. Hopefully before the video ends, I'm going to add it to page. Look at that. See, by and make sure that it's below that dotted line. Okay if it overlaps your photo, but just make sure that 800 by 200 workspace there, even though does not touch above that dotted line. Otherwise, you have logo on your page, okay? And you don't want to do that, just on the home page. So I'm gonna go ahead and publish, and I'll also get it on my graphics page. I got a feeling I run out of time. Let's see what happens. I could jump there real quick. Come on, man. Go to my graphics. All right, and now when I go